In the journey towards generational wealth, progress is rarely linear. Instead, it often feels like traversing a winding road filled with unexpected detours, setbacks, and moments where we must pause and reevaluate. At some point, we all encounter barriers that hinder our ability to build and preserve wealth. That is where financial healing becomes essential. Yet, question begs, can we fully achieve financial well-being while creating our financial footprints towards generational wealth? Those who have been fortunate enough may be in a position to suggest absolutely. However, for most of the population, I would say you may be able to achieve it, but at what cost? For that reason, healing is not just a destination but a continual process. Financial healing goes beyond increasing income or accumulating assets. At its core, it means unearthing and transforming our emotional and psychological relationship with money.